Companies use SolidWorks to design some of the best products in the world. Students use the Education Edition to learn more about design and engineering. Somewhere in between that, researchers turn ideas into products of the future. So what licenses should they use? SolidWorks Research Edition offers all of the same powerful tools that we've come to love from the commercial portfolio, but at a discounted rate for qualified research institutions. Unlike the Education Edition, which is watermarked and in a restricted file format, SolidWorks Research has no watermarks, so you can clearly present your designs with no restrictions for use in publications, industry-funded projects, intellectual property transfers, or patent applications. The Research Edition follows the same licensing structure as commercial SolidWorks and has the same flexible options available. And we're here to help you find the best fit for your requirements. Whether that means you need to rent a license or purchase a permanent one, use the core features of SolidWorks Standard, or access the advanced functionality found in SolidWorks Premium. Whatever your needs, we can tailor the right package for you. Research licenses must be owned, operated, and maintained by a college, university, research laboratory, teaching hospital, academic non-profits or consortiums. If you'd like to learn more about the different versions, licensing options, or the eligibility requirements for SolidWorks research licenses, then please visit our website or get in touch using the details on screen.